What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add shortcodes to our bbPress forum WordPress plugin. I know, this is an amazing plugin for creating community on your site, around your site, to offering support for some products, to get people find each other. So it's a very good plugin, but there is a massive problem. This plugin is quite limited. You can, for example, get some topic of your forum and share this topic into another part of your site that isn't the forum page. But into this video, we're gonna learn how to fix it without coding, for free, and into a very simple way, okay? So let's get things started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have bbPress installed on your site or already have your forums, okay, all set up. In the case you don't know how to do this, feel free to use the comment section. Then hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin, okay, into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress. Then review the upper right corner of your screen into search plugins field, click and type bbP style pack. Click on install now, this guy right here. Thanks Robin once again for your great plugin. Then click on activate. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. The first one right here is bbPress Style Pack, so all you have to do is click on settings. Or you can access the settings into the WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus, settings, bbP Style Pack, okay? It's the same way. There is a lot of features that this plugin adds, so no worries, no hurry, no scare, no problem. All you have to search is this guys right here. We have shortcodes, and right here we can explore the shortcodes of our plugin. For example, imagine that I would like to, like this page, display the index of my forum into some page. You're gonna search for the index shortcode, display forum indexes. Display forum index forum 10. Copy this shortcode. Go to a page or a post of your site. Add new. Place the shortcode, or better, click into the plus button. Search for the shortcode widget and place your shortcode. This number right here may be changed, okay? You may got the ID of your own forum topics, okay? So go to your forums and find the forum ID. In my case, the ID is this number right here, okay? And you can enter the ID here and you are good to go. This shortcode is now working. What else we can do? We can search for widgets, for example. We have some block widgets, okay? Here are the list of block widgets this plugin adds. You can enter a login, a forum list, a search, statistics, topic view, latest activity, single forum information. Let's search for search widget, okay? We can click into the plus button once again and search for the widgets. Or you can simply search for style pack, just like this. And here are a list of all the widgets of the plugin, okay? Nice, right? What else we can check on the plugin? In the case that we're using the old WordPress themes, the classic WordPress themes that does not have the blocks, in widgets you can search for the widgets of the plugin. We have widgets right here as well. Here are some widgets. Topic information, and you can access widgets into WordPress dashboard, appearance, widgets. And you can place this in the case that you want. Simple, right? I know things are quite complicated. I know bbPress, it's amazing, but sometimes it's a little different to use, but works great and for free. And feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.